In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-chase overdue tasks in Asana. This is a really useful way to save time and make sure nothing slips through the cracks, especially if you're managing a busy team or a complex project. Instead of manually checking who's late and sending follow-up messages yourself, you can let Asana do that work for you with a simple automation rule. First, open the Asana project where you want this to happen. Make sure you're in the correct project, because the rule you're about to create will only apply here, not across every project in your workspace. Once you're in the right place, look to the top right of your screen and click on the Customize button. This is where Asana keeps all the extra options that let you tailor the project to your workflow. Inside the Customize panel, find and click on Rules. Rules are Asana's way of saying, when this happens, automatically do that. After you open Rules, click on Add to start creating a new one. You'll see different templates and suggestions, but for this setup, choose Start from Scratch. Starting from scratch gives you full control over what triggers the rule and what actions Asana should take without any pre-filled options getting in the way. Now it's time to define when this rule should run. Click on the option that says plus when, and from the list of triggers, select Task is Overdue. This tells Asana to watch for any task in this project that passes its due date without being completed. Next, you need to decide what Asana should do when that happens. Click on Plus Then and choose Add Comment. This action will automatically post a comment on the overdue task itself. In the comment box, type your nudge message. Keep it clear, polite, and helpful. For example, you might include a short reminder, ask for an update, or suggest that the assignee adjust the due date if needed. You can also use a consistent tone that matches how your team normally communicates, so it feels natural rather than robotic. Once you're happy with your message, the last step is to turn the rule on. Click Publish Rule to activate it. From now on, whenever a task in that project becomes overdue, Asana will automatically add your comment, gently chasing it without you having to lift a finger.